Hello guys, today I'll take you through Introduction to Programming Language and Python Programming Language. So before we get to know about Python programming language, what actually is a programming language? Any ideas? Okay, here we go. A programming language is nothing but a language which is used to communicate with the computer, so which is nothing but a machine. There are many programming languages available in the market like Java, C++, C Hash, Perl, .NET, etc. And Python is one among them. These days, Python is emerging as popular day by day because of its simplicity and easy to use and easy to learn, and also we can able to learn it in a short period of time, and we can able to code in a short period of time. All right. Basically, the programming languages are categorized into two types. Uh, One is interpreter languages and one is compilation languages. Okay, let's know about interpreter language. All right. So, what actually mean by interpretation? Interpretation is the process of executing your program line by line. It means one statement at a time, directly at runtime. So this was an interpreter which reads your programming code line by line and executes it directly at runtime into a language that can be understood by the machine. So this was your final execution code. All right. So interpreter is the one which does this task of executing your code line by line. All right. So this is all about interpreter. What actually mean by compiler or the compilation language? All right. So compilation is nothing but the process of converting the entire programming code you have written into the language that can be understood by the computer, which is nothing but in the form of 0 comma 1s. A machine can able to understand a language which is binary, that is 0 comma 1. So this is a code that can be understood by the computer, and this is the final execution code uh, that a computer can able to understand. So this is all about compilation. So compilers and interpreters are the two important uh, topics that can be related to a programming language, and some of the compiler languages are Java, C++, .NET, C Hash, etc. And some of the interpreter languages are Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, etc. All right, so let's come to Python. So what is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level object-oriented programming language which is very easy to learn. So python.org is the main official website of the Python, where you have tons of material and a notion of Python topics. So this website contains the Python software with various versions. So from downloads link, you can able to see there are various versions of Python software available to download for different versions of operating systems. So you can able to see that you can able to download Python software for Linux and Mac and other operating systems. Python 3 was a recent release that has many new features and functionalities, and Python 2.7 was most widely used and popular. So before you get familiar with Python, just try to use this Python 2.7. So so that's all, guys. This is the introduction of Python programming language and also introduction to programming language. In our next tutorials, let's 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 get in deep with Python, like lists, the data types, syntax, etc. Thank you, guys.